Why choose
Mr. Locksmith Airdrie Alberta?
Locked Out? Need keys? If you need a lock change or locks rekey,
Mr. Locksmith Airdrie Alberta
is here to help you when you have a home security issue. Whether you need just new keys or a new high security deadbolt installed, we have you covered. There's no such thing as a $15 or $25 locksmith. Don't be scammed by unlicensed online scammer locksmiths. Our Mr. Locksmiths are BC licensed, bonded, and insured. Call Mr. Locksmith now and book your appointment. We are available 24 hours a day. Our services include lock change services, home unlock services. We are your 24-hour emergency locksmith. Lost your keys to your mailbox? We can make keys, master key systems, lock repaired, high security lock installation, and much more. If you have an issue with your locks or keys, don't wait any longer and call Mr. Locksmith or book your appointment online now.